Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another edition of our infamous walkarounds thanks to IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. First things first, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We are hitting 52,000. We're trying to get to 100 by the end of the year. So please, before I go on, I'm going to wait and give you 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button, which should be, I think it's over here. Okay? Thank you for that subscription. Appreciate that. And if I just turned you off of the channel, please forgive me. Anyway, we are wandering around finding some really cool cars and trucks. They have everything here in any condition. This one suffered just a bit of a burn, but you can buy this if you want a shell, if you want to bring this back. I don't even know what it was, but it's a burn, baby burn kind of car. We're going to walk around and find something that I'm looking to put in my garage, and we'll find something that you would enjoy putting in your garage as well. First up, 2018 Mercedes two-door E-Class E400 Coupe with a bit of a corner impact problem right there. So you need a hood, maybe you need a hood, you need a fender, you need your little support piece right here, you need a bumper. I hope, well, this might be damaged right here. This is part of the cooling system, it looks like. This could get expensive, but this was a beautiful car, and you need a rim and a tire, maybe some control arm pieces too. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. See how the lights were on? Yeah, I just checked it out, so we do have power. Look at the color of this though. This white with the silver, the chrome. Nice. And it's a 4MATIC. Absolutely. Look at how everything is just so flush right back here. Yeah, this is a beautiful car. You've got the gigantic roof on top, and best of all, look where you're going to be spending time. Look at that. Look at the lighting, the purple. Oh, this is nice. Okay, here we go. Living the good life. And this is comfortable. These are like this basketball orange I've always liked. I love this matte wood right here. This is incredible. Okay, and you have the purple once again lighting right there. Yes, ma'am. She's ready to go. Except for the problems up front. Look at this. So we do have some problems. Blind spot assistance, SRS malfunction. Check left low beam. What about the right? Yep, the right low beam. Give me some more. SRS malfunction, then we start over, right? Active brake assist functions limited. See operator's manual. Look how they do the gas. Blind spot assistance inoperative. This is cool with just the lights. Holy moly. So we also have brights, low, lights on. We have a tire pressure issue right here. This is nice. Let's just turn this off. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness, this is a good place to be. There's your little cup holders, USB port. Here's where we are, thanks to the navigation. Oh, Mikey likes this a lot. So let's just kind of see how many miles are on her if we can get through all these error codes. There we go. 92,000 miles on a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E400. I would live in this car. Absolutely. Yes, I would live in this car. This right here is just gorgeous. The lighting on the side here comes somebody. He's going to open the door. No, he didn't. Anyway, this is beautiful. All right, let's see what we got under the hood. Here it is. Woo! Everything looks okay-ish. We do have coolant, so that's nice to know. It does look like an engine with 90,000 miles on it. It is a little bit dirty. This looks like it's holding some coolant as well right here. As far as damage, start pricing things out, folks. This is a bolt-on piece that goes right around through here. So that, you know, a couple $100 for that. The fender, the bumper, 1, 2, 3, 4,000. A light, 5,000. Plus get it painted, 6,000 at least to put her back together. But this is nice. This is really, really. I need one of these in my life. You know I do. Ah! Here we go. And there it is. Oh, well, those are your other pieces. Here's your light right here. This one got demolished. And because it's a coupe, there you go. You can let somebody in the back seat, which does look really comfortable. There's just not a lot of leg room back there for them. So unless you're a short driver, no one's going to have room to do anything back here. But look how comfortable those seats are. This is nice. This is really, really nice. And we'll get it to go back. Airbags, 0 have gone off. But we did have the SRS. So maybe one did go off and they just kind of hit it. I don't know. But this, well, like we always say, Mikey likey. All right, from one coupe to another. I have not seen one of these in a long, long time. This is a W210 chassis. This is the CLK. Is it the 320? Probably. It's a, yeah, CLK 320 from 1999 in a color I really don't see that often at all, this green. What do you think about green cars? They're very odd. You just don't see them. AAA sticker there on the bottom. Body damage, none. This is actually really, really clean. Has it been painted? Nope. Wait a second. No, I don't see that it's, look at the inside. Oh, this is in beautiful shape. Holy moly. This is very, very, very nice. Yeah, I had one of these back in the day, and it had some big time transmission issues. Usually, everything about them is bulletproof, except for some of the interior trim pieces. This is immaculate, though. Why are you here? Oh my goodness. Why is she here? Here we go. 65,000 miles. Oh no, come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I know you want to start. Oh, shoot. Dadgum, they got these cars close to each other. This is the lowest mileage. Let go of my foot. Lowest mileage CLK I've ever seen. I know she'd start. I know she'd run and drive. It's just the battery. And there's so many people out here. Wow. Okay, now usually on these, this piece right here lets go, okay? The piece in the back lets go on the little quarter panel as well. These things, lots of times, are broken. And always the little material that kind of goes through here. What is this, Subway? Let's go. This is incredible, though. Okay, and of course, here we go. Typical Mercedes problem. And it's fun to replace on this. Yeah, this is fun because you got to kind of trim it. You can buy the new headliner material, but you got to trim a lot of it off because you got to be able to slide this back. And the stuff that's already come off right here is kind of gathered back in through here, and that's why it's bunching up. So you got to clean it off, which means this has to come down. You clean the little tracks, and you should be good to go, but that's going to be a big problem. This right here is good. This right here, these things sometimes will break when you try to take them out to fix them. Yeah, that happens a lot. This is what the trunk looks like. This is perfect. You even get a little pad for your booty. This is so clean. Look at that. Look at the battery. Oh man, whoever owned this car knew how to keep his car or her car nice and clean. This right here, it's incredible. The paint for a 99? Heck yeah. Heck yeah. How clean do you think the engine's gonna be? Oh, that's pretty clean. That is nice and clean. We do have a little leak under the valve cover right there. It looks like some rodents have maybe infiltrated the engine compartment, eaten a little bit of that. Nothing major. I don't see any mouse poo, which is good. But look at how clean this is. Look at this. Engine, oil. Look at that. There's a little bit much, but look how clean it is. Look at that. It is perfect. Okay, we have coolant right at the proper level there. This is the bomb. This is it right here, folks. This is the diamond that I have been looking for a long time. Problem is, who else is gonna like it besides me? These are hard to sell. They really are, because people just never really enjoyed them. I've had the Coupe, I've had 2 or 3 of the convertible versions, and they are great cars. The convertible, love it. It's quiet, it's powerful, gets great gas mileage. This is in perfect condition. Wow. Do I advertise this, or do I keep this until after the auction date and try to buy it myself? That's the question. Do you like this more than the E400? The seat does the same thing. 20 years before. Look at that. This interior is mint. It's mint. All right, the wood is good. Everything about this car is perfect. Everything. So we're gonna have to really watch this one, because I love it. Can I interest you in a 1969 Mercury Cougar? Absolutely. Look at this thing. They just dragged her out of the forest where she sat for years. I mean, this paint, I guess she was blue at one time, and then she was like kind of a red, and then kind of an orangish red. There's your color sample if you want to go back to one of those. Anyway, look at this. I always loved the Cougar. It was different than the Mustang. You had the hidden headlights. This has the vinyl top, which is always problematic because they leak and trap, and the moisture just rusts everything underneath. As you can see, there's holes right there. The inside looks like it's going to be so much fun to look at, but this, I don't know. What? And look at the tail lights. I mean, all of the good stuff seems to be here. Okay, all the little lenses. I don't see anything damaged, other than the rust issue, which it starts at the top. It's going to leak inside, so you know your floorboards are probably all rusty too. As far as body damage, other than rust, I don't see it. But I do see lots of rust. You're missing one trim piece right here. Oh. I can't even get inside this one. Got a gigantic radio antenna. Is there even a motor? What lies beneath this beast? Here we go. Come on. Blow out your shoulders. You lift this up. Oh. Well, okay. We've got some critters living in here. But this is the big V8. And look at the size of the poo. Look at the turds right there. You have some of your spark plugs. That's not a good sign. Look how big those are. Look how bad they are. Whoa. All right. Someone is really going to have to want to restore a car to bring this back to life. Maybe Vice Grip Garage could come down here and do a series. Get a little Derek working on this thing. I like the engine though. I mean, that's a big engine. if it still works, if you can get it to move. I don't know. So many critters have been living in here. I don't know if it's what's frozen up or what's not. And look at the top. Oh, there's a hose piece for you right there. Look at this on top of your, oh, it's wet. Ugh. There's your Cougar that comes down to hide your headlights. Huh. That's what does it right there. It turns these things, which turns, oh, see? Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if we can close this. Oh, we need some lubrication on this thing right here. Come on. There it is. Oh my. So how bad is the inside? If the outside is like this, oh, I can't even get in. How? Look how this is overlapped that. The whole car. Is she folding in on herself? She could be, because I can't get her open. Okay, automatic transmission inside there. You got some boob lights. You got some, looks like some manuals, something right there. There's your instrument cluster. The dash is completely toast. The back seat looks okay. There's a seat belt. You get a tire back there. Oh, wow. Okay, well, anyway, this is just a great example of some of the classic cars you can find out here at IAA. This, woo, hope you have a big old checkbook. What do you think my Cougar will bring at auction right here? I don't know, it's a lot of work. It is a ton of work, and they're 1987. It was inspected. What was I doing in 1987? I wasn't married yet. I graduated college. I don't even know what I was doing back then. What were you doing in 1987? Were you around in 1987? Who knows? Anyway, let me know what you think about the Cougar or the other two Coupes, the Mercedes E320 or the E400 Coupe, which was super nice. But that E320, you never see those in that condition. You never, I don't know why it's here. I don't. So do I secretly watch it and then like jump on it right at the end of the auction? But who's gonna buy it if, I mean, it's green and it's a coupe. They're just not worth anything. So we'll have to watch it. We'll have to watch it and see. All right. Thank you guys for watching these videos right here. I do have a good time putting this together, and it's so nice out here. I get a little exercise. I walk around in the sunshine and just have some fun. So thanks to everybody at IAA here as well. Okay, we'll see you again in the next video. Once again, don't forget, please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.